What do women fear most in starting a new relationship?
Well, they fear that if they begin to like the male, that he will not commit, or he may not even like her in that manner.
Okay. All right. Miss Sophia?
Dishonesty.
Dishonesty. That's one thing that women fear when starting a new relationship. Okay, Just?
Opening up and starting over.
Okay. All right. Felicia?
All of the above.
All of the above. Okay, Sierra?
I agree. Wasting time.
Woo! All right, now go on with your... Okay, Jamie? She about to... Boy, come on, Jamie. What you got?
Being disappointed.
Being disappointed. Okay. So now, if you fear those things, I'm just asking, because I don't want to be attacked. But if you fear those things, why get involved with me?
Because you have hope.
Because you have hope. Okay, you have, but listen, you have hope. So you decide to get into a relationship with me that's going to tell me I fear commitment, I fear disappointment, I fear dishonesty, I fear, but you want to get into this relationship with me.
No, we get into the relationship because we love, and the power of
Oh,
love
here
is
it comes.
greater than fear.
Girl, work it out. All right now. But now, I hear what you're saying. We're going to take up an offering after I finish this statement. That can be true on some relationships. The power of love is greater than anything. We know that for a fact. But do everybody associate love with what that question really is? Because number one, you got to think about it. If you get into a new relationship with somebody, you're not just coming into it because you like me. You're not just coming into it because you think, that's a fine young man right there. You're not just coming into it because, you know what? He knows what he wants in life. He's headed in the right direction. You're not coming into a relationship with just that. When you go to talking about all these other different things, when you go to talking about the dishonesty and all that type of stuff, see, you already have an agenda.